Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Toyota HiAce, stock reference number 5871. This shape ran from 04-2019 to the present. It has a 1GD FTV 4-cylinder 2.8 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an auto rear-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our 1GD FTV 4-cylinder 2.8 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left rear sliding door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right front guard, no dents. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console, gear stick, heat AC controls, stereo head unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, tidy leather steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.